How to create a Starry Night Sky in Unreal Engine 5. In this project, we have this Starry Night Sky. Yeah, I think it's perfect. And let's start it. And first, I will create the new level. And next, I will drag our characters into the scene. And I don't want this one, I will delete it. And here, we need to change ng contents. And we enter the ng. And we type sky. And here I drag this sky sphere into here. And now I will close this lighting. Close all of them. And here I will change this. I will change this size height. And yeah, you can see our night effect is showing. And next one, I want to add the post process value. And I will type infinity. I will change it. And next, I will use exposure. I will use it to manual. And I typed 11. Yeah, I think it's okay. And but now I think this scene is too dark. And next, you can change this ground speed and ground opacity, and also you can change the start brightness. Yeah, you can change whatever you want. And here I think it's too dark, so I will open this directional light and I will delete another all of them. And I will change light value. Yeah, I think this effect is perfect. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.